Hello, friends, how are you? In this video I bring you how to save energy with your heat pump. And here you can see how since December, November, December, which were hot months just like January and February's, you can see how it decreased from 740 kilowatt hours to 540. 6 kilowatt hours, yes. Which implies a reduction in consumption of approximately between 30 and 35%? Yes, this is true. This is what I implemented, and here the results are seen. I am going to show you my service bill, in which I managed to save up to 50% in the heat pump only with these tips. Well, let's go for the first one in first place. You have to take into account the exterior temperature and the temperature at which you want to be. When we put the heat pump at a temperature similar to the exterior, yes, it is when we are going to save the greatest amount of energy. This is what? Because I am going to show you now that when you have a temperature, ambient exterior, for example, 86 degrees Fahrenheit, and you place your air at 82.5 degrees Fahrenheit, you lower the temperature a little bit. Yes. 2 degrees, nothing more. You are going to see that the heat pump compressor turns on every 20 minutes. This means that every 20 minutes the compressor will be on. And in each time that it turns on, it makes a peak of energy because we are talking about conventional air conditioners, not inverter. This. Now if you, of those 86 degrees that you have outside, degrees Celsius, they want to have 75.2 degrees Fahrenheit in their room. That you have to put the air at 75.2 degrees. What you are going to do here is that the compressor will be on for a longer time. Yes. 5 minutes, let's suppose. It will not be every 20 anymore. It will be every 5. It depends on the insulation that you have in your room. Because as soon as the compressor cuts, already the temperature will start to rise to equalize to the exterior temperature, and more if you do not have insulation and your walls are made of bricks. What it does is that the sun heats bricks, yes, or the metal sheets, and then inside the room it starts to raise the temperature until equalizing to the temperature that you have outside. So, if you set your heat pump to 75.2 degrees Fahrenheit on cool mode, this one will work much more time to reach that temperature. Because imagine that you have to go down from 86 to 75.2 degrees, 75.2 and sometimes until a little bit less, 71.6, and there the compressor cuts. So you have to do is put always at a temperature similar to the exterior. In that way, the compressor will work less time and will not turn on every moment, let's say. In this case, it is 20 minutes, the one that I am going to show you now. Tip number 2 is the insulation of your room. Yes. As soon as you have a better insulator, the compressor will turn on in more spaced out times and will manage to cool the enclosure or your room in a shorter time, which is going to make that the compressor turns off faster, let's say, and is on for less time. As I had told you, the peak is something very important. Also in the compressors that are conventional, where it can be observed that the peak is of 4 amperes, approximately. Imagine that 4 amperes every 5 minutes is a lot for an air conditioning, let's say, and a lot of energy expense. Another thing is to take into account the size, or the section of cables. 4 air conditioners of 3,500 frigaries. It must be at minimum of 2.5 standard cable. Because if you put cables smaller section, there will be a heating in the cables and loss of energy through them, besides the risk that this carries of the melting of cables. Another tip that I am going to give you is that between heat pump you should choose the one that has greater energy efficiency. This is known, but it is not known for why, or it is not explained why. What happens in unheat pump with efficiency C? The peak at which it turns on, and the energy consumption reaches up to 8 amperes, yes. And then the consumption, while that air is on, is of 4 amperes. On the other hand, the heat pump of energy efficiency. I have a peak of 4 amperes and a work consumption of 2 amperes. So what I did was remove the heat pump from home that had energy efficiency C, and I stayed only with 2 heat pump of energy efficiency A. Together with these tips that I had told you of maintaining an interior temperature similar to the exterior temperature is what helped me to consume up to 50 less energy in the electricity bill that I'm going to show you next. Well, friends, here I bring you the image in which I show you how the bill decreased from 130, 4,000 and from 60, 4,000 to 50, 6,000 pesos. Yes, this is for the period December of 2024, January of 2025 and February of 2025. It is the 3 months, yes, or the period of highest temperature of the year. And you can see how with these tips I managed to decrease the value of the temperature, the value of the service bill. And here you can see how since December, November, December, which were hot months, just like January and February's, you can see how it decreased from 740 kilowatt hours to 540. 6 kilowatt hours, yes, which implies a reduction in consumption of approximately between 30 and 35%. Yes, this is true. This is what I implemented, and here the results are seen. Look, friends, it is at 25.3.2 degrees Celsius. It is the outside temperature at this moment. In another room, inside the house, it is 27.1 degrees Celsius. The air conditioning is at 23 degrees. And it has been more than 5 minutes since it turned off the compressor. Therefore, we continue waiting for it to turn on. 20 minutes passed. The ambient temperature inside the room is 26 degrees. And the compressor just turned on. That is to say that for a temperature difference between 2 and 3 degrees, the air conditioning compressor turns on every 20 minutes. There it is already starting to cool. The temperature is going down. So that is for you to take into account. Well, friends, that was all for today in this video. I brought you the 4 tips that I have used to reduce the consumption in electric or the consumption of the electric bill only with the air conditioning, with the ones I had at home, and not using inverter air conditioning. So if it was useful to you, activate the bell and give it a like. That is going to help me, and we are going to continue sharing videos like this.